In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change bank account payments, or how to change bank account on Google AdSense. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can actually use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Then just go and open your browser, then go here to the URL section and type Google AdSense and hit the enter button. So of course from here you would like to enter the first link, which is actually an advertisement. If you want to actually ignore it, that's cool. Just go and scroll down until you find a website, and that is not an advertisement. Then you'll need to click add connection if you want to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you would like to click add start to create your account. Don't worry, you will create your account with a Google account if you don't want, so you don't go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So let me just go for me and click add connection. It will connect me to my first account here on Google, so let me just switch it. So as you can see, that will actually be my home or my main screen after I log in into my account. And of course, if I want to change the bank account, all I need to do, just go here at the left to the payments option and click on that, then click add payment info. So as you can see, if it's your first time, first of all, you will have here add payments method. So then you'd like, of course, to change your bank account to whatever you want from there. But if you already add your payments method and you have this, all you need to do, just click here at manage settings and you'll be right here. So as you can see, we'll have here a payments account, and you will be actually able to change your payments account nickname and schedule if you want. So of course here you'll be able to edit the payments account nickname and the payment schedule. And of course, if you want, as you can see here, here's the payments profile ID, and here we have the payments account ID. So of course, if you want to change that, you'll need to actually contact Google, because you will not be able to do that. As you can see, we don't have an edit option on the payment account ID. Or you can just go and create another Google account, and if you want to connect it to your website and start getting paid from another account, just when you go and click at add payments method, make sure to enter your right bank account. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.